Hello, welcome to Nectar Homeopathy, and today we're going to talk about a very common issue that many people suffer from, especially during the spring and summer, and that is hay fever, often known as allergic rhinitis as well. And hay fever is something that disturbs a lot of people during the spring and summer months. Now, the conventional treatment for hay fever is taking antihistamines. Antihistamines are fine. They give you relief. They make you feel better once you're taking the medication. Soon as the effect of the antihistamine wears off, then the symptoms begin to return. So constantly you're having to top yourself up with antihistamines. And for some people, they might create a dullness. They might create, sort of feelings of fatigue and lethargy. But obviously, it's better to have relief from the symptoms of hay fever, which can often be, quite debilitating for many people. So the symptoms of hay fever vary. Now, this is a complication of treating hay fever because they vary for everyone. Some people have itchy eyes, and some people have runny, watery eyes. Some people have a runny nose, or some people have a blocked nose. Some people get an itchy throat, while others might not. And there's also people who get itchy face and things like that. And sneezing is usually something that's quite common to everybody, really. Now, there are many different types of alternative therapies out there which can help relieve hay fever. And I'm going to talk about homeopathy and how homeopathy can help relieve the symptoms and treat the symptoms of hay fever. Now, there are a few remedies out there, and I'm going to name 4 of those remedies. So the remedies that will help relieve the symptoms and treat the symptoms, where if you take remedies for 2 or 3 months with homeopathy, then that should be fine. You can enjoy the rest of the season without having to take any medication, and possibly next year the symptoms won't return, or if they do, they probably won't be as severe and you might need a little bit of a top up again. Now, the first main remedy is called allium cepa. Now, allium cepa is ideal for those people who have symptoms which are like peeling onions. Yeah, so you've got watery eyes, runny nose, almost like a drip, everything streaming down as if you were peeling onions, and then you've got the sneezing to go with it. So allium cepa is ideal for that type of hay fever. Then you've got euphrasia, which is another common homeopathic remedy. Euphrasia is more for like the itchy eyes, possibly a bit of a blocked or runny nose. And also, the sneezing that comes alongside with hay fever. Another common remedy is pulsatilla. Now, pulsatilla is for those people who have the symptoms, but the discharge from the nasal area is more of a yellowy discharge. And with that yellow discharge and those feelings of hay fever, the person feels a little bit emotional, they're feeling overwhelmed, especially children. They might be clingy, crying. These type of symptoms with children, pulsatilla would be ideal for that type of person. Finally, the 4th remedy is sulfur. Now, sulfur is for those type of people who have got redness everywhere. Red eyes, red nose, itchy eyes, itchy nose, itchy face, itchy throat. Sulfur is an ideal remedy for that type of person. Now, those are 4 common remedies that are used for treating hay fever. However, there are many more different remedies that, as a trained homeopath, would be able to give you. Now, the only complication with homeopathic remedies is that patients are not as clear cut, so they don't have a picture, allium cepa picture patient, doesn't really exist. So the patient will have a little bit of that and a little bit of that. So watery eyes and blocked nose, then you sort of become a bit stuck thinking, which remedy should I use? And this is why you should always go to a qualified homeopath and let them assess your symptoms and give you a combination of remedies. Often, in my practice, I would give a combination of remedies to people to treat their hay fever. It's never just one remedy on its own. So that's the sort of main thing, talking about hay fever and how to treat it. So there's no need to not enjoy the sunshine and enjoy the nice weather and be outdoors. There's a way out for you there. So you can use homeopathy, have a short course, and then you should be fine to enjoy the rest of the season. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found the information in the video useful. If you did, please feel free to comment. and please subscribe to the channel and press the like button, and feel free to share this video with as many friends as you can, so a lot of people can benefit from homeopathy, and they can benefit, you know, from the treatment that homeopathy offers and allowing you to be drug free, you know, for the longer term. Thank you for watching.